everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix login problems on Funimation account. If you're trying to log into your Funimation account but you are not being able to do so, then there might be several reasons for that. While logging into your account for Funimation, you'll need to type in your email and password associated with the account. So always make sure to type in the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Your Password link and then enter the registered email address that is associated with your Funimation account. After you do that, click on the send button and you'll receive an email with a link so that you can reset to a new password. Once you have the new password, you can go ahead and enter your email address followed by the new password and click sign in, which might help you log into your Funimation account if your problem was credentials related. If you're still not being able to log in, the next thing you could do is to go ahead and open up a new web browser. Simply close off the web browser that you are using and then open up any other web browser and try logging into your Funimation account. Sometimes that might do wonder whenever you are in this situation. Make sure to disable any VPNs if you're using one, since it might be interfering with your network, which might prevent you from logging into your account. The next thing to check for if you're still not being able to log in is to make sure that your web browser is updated to the latest version that you are currently using. Go and click the three dots at the top right and in the pop-up select Settings. From the Settings menu, click on About button at the bottom left. Make sure that your web browser is up to date. If it is not, then the download process for your web browser should begin automatically. Once it completes, you'll need to restart your web browser. Once you are done with the restart process, go back to the sign-in area and log into your account by entering the credentials, and you might be able to fix the issue right away. If you're still not being able to do that, you can also try updating your software of the device that you are using. If you are working with the outdated software on a device that you are using, you might go through the login issue. Apart from those, you can also try clearing out your cookies and cache from the web browser that you are using. From the Settings menu, go and click the Privacy Search and Services button and scroll down to clear browsing data. Select the data that you'd like to clear from the pop-up. Make sure to check these two boxes where it says cookies and other site data, cached images and files, but leave the rest of the box unchecked and then click on Clear Now. Once you clear out your cookies and data, you can go back to the login page and try logging into your account again by entering the credentials and clicking on Sign In. Those fixes might help you get out of the situation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.